Hi guys, for this video guys, ang ulam namin ngayon guys is pansit guys. Pansit bihon guys. Ito ang ulam namin ngayon guys. So, sarap to guys. So, tikman natin guys. Okay guys. Ito. Natin ilagay guys. Okay guys. Itong ulam namin ngayon guys.
She thinks that I'm going to be going over to do a truth or dare challenge video with her, but obviously today is going to be a lot more. Okay, I'll reveal more of what is going on, what the plan is, but first I gotta get out there before she comes out. So my sister's going to be coming out here. I'm just going to stand here and act like I'm really hungry, and I'm just going to see what she does. I asked for a pastry. I think she got a pastry too. I'm not exactly sure, and coffee. So we'll see if she actually gives me food. And comment below what you think is going to happen and what my
yung nagluto nito guys. Master talaga guys. Ito guys, oh. Dami guys.
I have to get to her house because she thinks we're doing a truth or dare challenge. Let's go. Okay, Bam Bam, so we are here at my sister's house. Now, she thinks that we're doing a truth or dare challenge, but there's so much more happening today. Today, we are doing a challenge, and we're putting her in different situations, and if she passes them and does the right thing, I will be giving her $10,000 each. Now, there are 5 situations. I just did one, so she's already got